In this quick tutorial, you'll learn how to fix login errors on the Capital One mobile app. We all know how frustrating it can be when you're trying to access your accounts and you get stuck at the login screen. But don't worry, I'll walk you through some simple steps to get you back on track. First things first, let's make sure your internet connection is working properly. Sometimes login issues can be as simple as an unstable signal or a weak Wi-Fi connection. So double check that your device is connected to a strong network. If you're using Wi-Fi, try switching to mobile data or vice versa to see if that resolves the issue. Next, ensure that your Capital One app is up to date. Outdated apps can often cause glitches or compatibility issues. Head over to the App Store if you're using an iPhone or the Google Play Store if you're on an Android device and check for any available updates for the Capital One app. Keeping your apps updated ensures that you have the latest features and fixes. If updating the app doesn't do the trick, try restarting your phone. It might sound too simple, but restarting your device can sometimes resolve minor software hiccups that might be affecting the app's performance. Once your phone is back on, try logging into the app again. Still having trouble? Let's move on to checking the app's cache. Go to your phone settings, find the Capital One app, and clear the app cache or data. This step can help remove any corrupted files that might be causing the login error. If clearing the cache doesn't help, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling the app. This will give you a fresh start with the latest version of the app. If you suspect that you might have entered incorrect credentials, use the Forgot Username or Password option on the login screen. This feature will guide you through the process of resetting your credentials, ensuring that you're entering the correct information. Finally, if none of these steps solve the problem, it's time to contact Capital One customer service for further assistance. They'll be able to look into your specific issue and provide more targeted support. And that's it. That's how to fix login errors on the Capital One mobile app. Hopefully, these steps have helped you regain access to your account smoothly and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and if this video was helpful, consider sharing it with others who might be facing the same issue.